हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरी यूट्यूब चैनल लाइफ टू ट्रेवल में आपका स्वागत है। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, आज हम एक फोर्ट के अंदर आए हैं। इसका नाम है नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट, जो जयपुर का एक काफ़ी मशहूर किला है, जो अंदर के साथ साथ बाहर से भी देखने में काफ़ी खूबसूरत दिखता है। और जैसे आप मेन गेट से एंटर करेंगे, आपको कठपुतली का नाच दिखेगा। तो आप भारतीय आर्किटेक्ट के साथ साथ भारतीय संस्कृति को भी देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए आप कठपुतली का नाच देखते हैं, फिर किले के अंदर चलेंगे। चलिए दोस्तों, अब किले को हम अंदर से चल के देखते हैं, जिसे 1734 में महाराजा सवाई जयसिंह ने बनवाया था। एक्चुअली ये मिलिट्री बेस था, जहां कभी कभी राजा अपने परिवार के साथ पिकनिक मनाने आते थे। आप जब मेन गेट पे जाएंगे तो आपको काफ़ी टूर गाइड दिखेंगे। ज़्यादातर वो ऑथराइज तो नहीं है, मगर अगर आपको कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है तो आपको मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा आप इन्हें हायर कर लें, क्योंकि आपको ये बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे जो आपके काफ़ी काम आएगी।
सर आप गाइड लेंगे?
नहीं
नो मैं
This is one king is 9 queens. Is 9 apartments. 9 apartment winter and summer two historical palace. King named Savai Madhav Singh is 9 by. Yeah, this stone is modern art. This queen's name Indi. First wife named Ratan Prakash, second wife named Basant Prakash, Lalit Prakash, Lakshmi Prakash, Jawar Prakash, Kusal Prakash, Anand Prakash, Chand Prakash, Suraj Prakash. Prakash king named Prakash means light.
जैसा कि इन्होंने बताया कि राजा की 9 वाइफ थी, जो गर्मियों में नीचे रहती थी, सर्दियों में ऊपर रहती थी।
What is this?
This is kitchen chimney, two chimney this side. One wife, one kitchen, 9 wife, 9 kitchen.
This.
This is a maid room, maids. 9 wife, 9 maid. And maid room and maid store room.
For her servant. So 9 queen, 9 servant rooms also.
This is a bedroom. Bedroom and all painting, original, no repairing. These glasses from Belgium, no India. Winter season apartment, you have fireplace. And this side is a queen money store room, this way. This side queen money store room and money can be done this side. And this side is a dressing room. This is statue.
Dressing.
This one is two statue. Yes, madam? This is two statue, one is two statue, is modern art.
Okay, this is modern art, not
It's
modern.
modern art.
And this is engine for making fire. और ये दूसरा कमरा क्या है? ये ड्रेसिंग रूम और ये मनी स्टोर. Okay, she keep her money here. Yeah, save money here. Treasury room, like.
Amazing.
Yes, and
Here I will change my kitchen. Maybe I will decide for this.
okay, and this is for making fire in winters. Let's go.
This side is a toilet.
Toilet.
Toilet and bathroom. Toilet and shower.
Toilet in summer. Okay, this is toilet for summer. It is for summer, not for winter. Oh. Yes.
In toilet, bathroom again. All time no water line. My hand supply is water. Outside two water tank. Only for raining water. Inside is a fruit store. Fruit. All time no light, no air condition. It's a cold apartment. It's a fruit store.
Okay. So they.
No marble, no cement, inline stone.
Yeah, this is your original. ये original है ना?
Yeah, this is original.
और ये कितना पुराना होगा? How much old? कितना पुराना होगा? कितने साल?
250 years old.
This is around 250 years old, and
150.
yeah, 250 years old, and this room was for keeping fruit, store room, like for fruits. Yes.
This is winter season apartment, it will be summer season apartment.
This one is winter season.
Yes,
Okay, some.
summer season.
गर्मियों में ऊपर बैठते थे वो लोग.
आओ से समझाएंगे आपको. Downside winter season apartment, no be summer season apartment. Summer bedroom, dressing room, storeroom. Winter and summer. One queen, one apartment, 9 apartments, same. Different rating. This is the rings 1, 2, 3. By hand fan, swing. King and queen, this is like by bed and outside the window before addition bed. These are the rings 1, 2, 3 and 3 design, carry decoration, lighting, big flat. Downside winter season apartment, no be summer season apartment. Summer season apartment is cross ventilation.
और लू नहीं चलती होगी हाई हीट वेव उस समय. लू नहीं चलती होगी.
ना दीवार मोटी है.
अच्छा.
हमें ये ऐसे दिया करते थे. ऐसे और दो फ्रिज है. Downside kitchen. In kitchen chimney this way.
Okay, this
This is a kitchen chimney.
Asya, see this kitchen chimney. Yeah,
Kitchen
this,
chimney.
on ground floor they have
Building
kitchen
is
and this is
3
chimney.
Chimney.
Yeah.
Building is 3 art, Mughal art, Hindu art, Italian art. This is Mughal art, Hindu art, and border is Italian art, Christian art.
और ये कमरा कैसा है?
ये बता दें.
क्या चीज़ का था?
Dressing room.
Dressing room. And Kasya? This is also dressing room for summer. Let's go. This is dressing.
I am a queen.
Yes. Let's go.
This side is a Queen's corridor. And Queen's corridor, 9 apartments attached, only for this side, Queen's. Come. This side, Queen's corridor. And this side, this is a King corridor. This side, Queen's corridor. This side, King corridor. King corridor, 9 apartments attached, and King separate corridor. Come this way.
Kasya, you are in wrong place. It's for king, not for queen. You're
I am
This side, this side apartment.
here.
This side same apartment, 9 wife, 9 apartment, same. Queens is no fighting. This side Queen's corridor. This side Queen's corridor, this side King corridor.
This is for king, this is for queen. Queen corridor. And this is for king.
All time, no light.
So,
All time, no light. This is oil lamp stand.
okay, oil lamp.
Lamp stand. room. King, 9 apartment, queens, only 1 apartment, king dressing room, separate dressing room, 9 bedroom, no problem. Old camp inside Rajasthani dance name is Ghumar, old camp inside disco dance only dance.
घूमर.
This whole painting original no repairing. This building is 3 art, Mughal art, Hindu art, Italian painting is 3 art. Mughal art, Hindu art, Italian art. Original painting, digital colors. Glasses from Belgium, this original glasses.
These are red glasses.
This is king corridor.
So Kasia from Belgium. These glasses from.
This is king corridor, 12 apartment, hotel.
And King Kerry.
This side is the same apartment, 9 wife, 9 apartment, 7 with queens, is no fighting. 9 kitchen, 9 bedroom, 9 dressing room, 9 storeroom, 9 toilet, 9 bathroom, everything 9.
Nine.
This for Tiger Fort, 1 minute madam. This for Tiger Fort only for picnic spot, Monsoon Palace, Residence City Palace. This old residence, Amer Palace. Old residence, Amer Palace.
We'll go after this.
And second residence, City Palace. All family have the City Palace. Amer Palace is closed. And Jagat Fort and King Army. It's Tiger Fort only or picnic spot. King is no 9 wife, 9 girlfriend.
Okay.
9 cocoa eyes.
Okay. This is for only picnic.
Only for picnic. In
Okay.
Residence City Palace.
They live in Amer Fort,
Yes.
and now they're living in City Place. Okay.
This Tiger Fort only picnic house. King is no 9 wife, 9 girlfriend, 9 cocoa eyes.
Okay.
Up top is very good view. इधर से जाओगे सामने से चले जाओगे.
ठीक है.
Okay?
Okay.
कंस्ट्रक्टेड बाय आर्टिफिशियली जो शीश महल है वो शीश महल एक्चुअली वहाँ है राइट अराउंड
नहीं, एक तो आमेर में ओरिजिनल शीश महल है.
हाँ आमेर जो किला है
हाँ ना, टिकट इतनी महंगी थी. मैं
ये तो आर्टिफिशियली बनाया हुआ है
हमारा
यहाँ पर जो 500 रुपए जिसका टिकट है ना
हाँ हाँ
हाँ
तो
उसमें-
7
हाँ उसमें वैक्सिंग है वैक्स स्कल्पचर रखे हुए हैं जो यहाँ के राजा
अच्छा ये रेस्टोरेंट.
तो ये 5 स्टार शायद बता रहे हैं व्यू बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जो इस घाटी में लोग रह रहे हैं अरावली
ये अच्छा ये पार्टी इन्होंने रेस्टोरेंट बना दिया, 5 स्टार बना दिया. जहाँ
तो
अच्छा
यहाँ
भी.
पर अच्छा है कमाने के लिए तो कितना करेंगे आ जाओ आतिक भाई यहाँ से फोटो लेते हैं
Nine.